Hello people, today I will be talking about how to use Bevel Modifier because I find that modifier very useful because in the past I didn't consider to use this, but this tool really saves the time, especially when you work with sharp objects and when you smooth it out. When you want to smooth objects and edges, when you want to bevel edges, without the dot modifier, this was taking ages for me to complete. And today I wanted to quickly model window as quick as possible. I just have to check if I can deselect other polygons. Because I like sometimes working in perspective viewport. Because this option really saves the time when you work in orthographic viewport. Because I have to show you something important. You don't have to bevel separate edges, and that is actually good information people for you, because in the past it was taking ages to bevel everything and I wasted so much time, but I found a quick solution how to do that. I think I will have to increase gap between polygons, and before I add another modifier people, because you have to add thickness. But by using Bevel Modifier, you can quickly speed things up. Okay. We need to change 0 to... And we need to change gap. I think this is a little bit too much. Still not enough. I will... Sorry people, I just had a problem with throat. I will also show you another method which is here. Angle is quite interesting. Because when you use angle, it doesn't limit. Not only angle, but there are options like meter outer patch. Patch is quite interesting. I find it quite useful when you have when I bevel edges of the polygon. Oh, I added some extra geometry. You can see how beautiful details are. I think I will have to decrease space. Now it looks okay. You can see how much time I have saved. I didn't have to bevel single edge because this is taking ages to do that. When you go to objects, you use option shade smooth, and in normals option you can use this option. This will look even better when you play around some settings, using some settings here. Sorry, I just had a problem with apply scale. I didn't have to do that, but bevel, when you do manually bevel, instead of using modifier, you can apply now. Sometimes you have to check if your normals are showing up in proper way. Because when you do manually bevel, you want to make sure that normals are displaying properly. I have to put another 0 Wait a minute. Maybe a little bit taller. I have to check something because I don't see my normals are looking okay. Normals are calculate outside. I think they seem to be okay right now. They should be displayed like that. Another thing is you have to go to object and apply scale before you bevel edges of the polygon. You see how quickly I done window? I didn't spend lots of time. I have spent only 5 minutes on that video tutorial to show you how powerful Bevel Modifier is. And I will zoom in to see this looks beautiful. You can see how beautiful my window looks. I hope you like my video tutorial. I wanted to be more accurate publishing the newest video in the newest version of Blender, which is 3.6.0. I think this is the best version of Blender because they improve the performance of the calculations of the polygon meshes and UV unwrapping as well. See you guys, bye.